channel. Today what I have here is my best friend Ryan.
Hello.
So what we are going to do today, we are going to make slime. You see that my bowl is already really dirty. Can you not clean it out, dude? No. Oh my goodness, I'm just peeling this out, dude. Like, look. Look, it's just peeling out. It's so satisfying to peel, though. Oh my goodness, it's just like wet under it. Ew! Okay, why don't you clean it? I don't want to. Okay, Ryan. Okay, we're fine. Okay, we are actually. Okay, what slime are we making? We are making glossy slime. So, what you need is glue, contact solution, the tiniest bits of shaving cream, and some Tide. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to pour.
We need cornstarch. No, we don't because shaving cream won't make it.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to pour a little bit of glue, and then what we are going to do.
Can I activate it?
What?
Can I activate it?
No.
Why do we need contact solution if
You'll see.
Tide?
No, this is not Tide. Okay.
What is that?
But, pour a little bit in there.
That's a lot.
I know, it's not Tide. Look, it's not Tide. Okay, this is what it will look like.
Just laundry detergent.
Okay, next, now will be a blue or whatever color Tide you have. It could be white, you don't know.
Can we make it
What?
Can we make it purple?
Purple? I like blue. What? No, okay guys, I'll be back, wait.